Asha phones.
Okay, so here we have the Asha family of phones. We have the Asha 200 as a brother, which is the Asha 201. 200 being dual SIM, the 201 being single SIM. We then have the Asha 303 and the Asha 300. Looking at the specs of the device, we have a simple GSM phone which is dual band, has no touchscreen, excellent QWERTY keypad, and the usual features we'd expect on this phone. Access into Facebook through our social client, you can put in your favourite contacts, and interestingly we have dual SIM technology, which is dual SIM standby, not active. Effectively this means we have two SIM cards latched to the network, could be on different networks itself, and as a call comes in, it will actually put on standby the second SIM card. You don't lose the call. What you actually lose is no connectivity, because the call will then go through your voicemail. When it latches up, you will then actually get the call delivered through your standard voicemail settings. Looking at the 300, this is the slightly different spec device. We have an ITU-T keypad with a touchscreen, talk and text we're currently calling it. It's a 3G device, HSPA, so you get great data rates, targeted towards internet, social networking and gaming. It comes preloaded with Angry Birds, straight out of the box, no need to download it. Looking at the 300, we then have a QWERTY with full touch. They're all Series 40 devices. When we look at here, we have the Facebook shortcut on the screen. We can have WhatsApp, which is on the device, and a OV browser, which is proxy based, compresses data up to 90%. So it really gives an affordable use of your data plan. All the devices have the OV browser on it. On the touch screens we have various hotspots. I can go straight into various functions from the screen. I can click straight onto my profiles, and I can go straight into my favourite contacts. Coming back out, I can have multiple contacts, or I can scroll across to the actual different contacts and get access to SMS calls straight from their links. 4 great devices, come in a whole range of colours. We have 8 different colours on the Asha 200 201, some really vibrant, vivid colours which plays to the target user. There's currently 2 other colours on the Asha 300 and also sort of other planned colours on the 303. All in all, a great range, giving affordable access to data and social networking. Okay, looking at the side of the phones, we basically have a really clean sort of design to the phone. Simplicity on the back is premium. 2 megapixel camera, and on the actual key mat we have direct access into some of our favourite features. I can configure a shortcut which will give me direct access to mail, chat, social, whichever is my favourite used application. Hotkeys, like you say, for the dual SIM swap. So if I've got 2 SIM cards, I can configure those SIM cards to how I want them to use the data, either call, SMS, MMS, and data going through one other SIM card. Looking at the hardware on the 303, great design key mat which has slightly raised keys, so that it makes your input even easier, because you can really feel where the buttons are. Direct access into again messaging, and also direct access into my meter. Looking at the sides, again, the whole family is about a crisp, clean design. We've got a great 3.2 megapixel camera, some lovely design features, real metal back which gives it a feel of quality on it. Then looking at the 303, the hardware, once again we talked about an ITU-T key mat. We have direct access into the messaging again. Once again you see the clean design, 5 megapixel camera, and some direct actions, volume up, volume down, and a lock key on the side. All in all, a great range of products. As I say, it obviously depends upon ranging. We would expect to see these shipped in most countries throughout the world. Pricing availability, we should see them towards the end of Q4, Q1, so Q4 into Q1. We'd expect to see prices indicated earlier on today is the 200 and 201 65 euros, obviously subject to tax and subsidies. We then have the 303, 85 euros subject to tax and subsidies, and also 303, which is about roughly 115 subject to taxes and subsidies.